Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. I'm going to do a garlic green bean. This recipe was given to me years and years ago by one of my older friends. And it's real easy, there's nothing to it, and you can either eat them cold or warm. So we're going to start off with 2 cans of whole green beans, and I'm using the Del Monte, and they are whole green beans. So I'm going to drain these first. Okay, we have our green beans drained, and what I'm going to do is just take my hands and I'm going to put a few in this container, and then I'm going to put a little garlic. There is 5 cloves of garlic mashed up here. We'll put a few beans and a few pieces of garlic, because it has a garlic taste to it, but it's really good for snacks. You can serve it cold or hot, either one you want to. We're just about finished with the green beans and the garlic. We put it in a refrigerator and we let it sit overnight. Okay, we have all our beans and garlic in this container, and the reason I'm using this container is because I can close it up and I won't get that garlic smell in my refrigerator. Okay, now we're going to mix 1/2 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of Wesson oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to put this on the stove and heat it. All we want to do is heat this. It's mainly so we can melt the sugar, get this all mixed up, and we'll just pour it on top of those beans. And that's all there is to it. When you want a snack, it's great to just go in and get you some green beans. It really tastes good. We'll have to wait for that to come to a boil, and then we'll be ready to pour it over. I already have some that has been overnight. I'm going to pour them over in this bowl. Now that's the way they're going to look after they've been in the refrigerator overnight. I love those. Just go to the refrigerator and take them out and take you a snack. They're really good. Most of the sugar is dissolved, so we don't care about it boiling. We're ready to take this over now and pour it on the beans. And what we're going to do now is seal this up. You can use anything with the top on it. It doesn't have to be sealed, but like I told you, the reason I do this is so it won't make my refrigerator smell. But this is finished now. This is ready to eat, and this is going to sit overnight in the refrigerator. Okay, now we're finished with our green beans. Well, I hope you do try this, because I really have enjoyed it over the years. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as my family does. And I'll see you on another family video. Thanks for watching.